Installation video for the replacement of chain on the Edge rollerblind system. In this video, contrasting caps have been used to highlight the components involved. Remove the outside cap with a small, flat-bladed screwdriver. This cap comes off relatively easily. From the outside, using a small flat-bladed screwdriver, release the clips holding the inside cap. Then turn the chain drive over and gently lever loose the centre clip using a flat-bladed screwdriver. To remove the chain, grasp the chain drive firmly and hold the chain near where the chain feeds into the chain drive and guide the chain off the spool as shown. To insert a new chain, locate one chain ball into the chain wheel and pull the chain through as shown. Refit the inside cover first by firmly snapping into place, then turn over and fit the outside cap.